but watch me now. So, me there downtown I sell cane and thing, as me usual thing. Our side, one Sunday in a COVID lockdown time, when them say, you have to come off of the road certain time and them kind of thing, right? Yeah, and me wrap up the little selling and thing, and Eddie from Harbour side come out East Kingston region, my people them there, and really my yard me I go, my people them yard, my parents yard, me I go jam because me really, their country heart it out in a farming at the time. Boom now, me reach my people them place, and my people them and say, yo, my father, he want a bag of Lasco. But here I go on now, COVID time where you know them say the shop them have to lock down. So maybe about minutes to 8, but feel like late hours because everywhere have to lock down 7 o'clock. Everywhere lock down and nowhere no day now for me just go buy a bag of Lasco for my father. But you see in the garrison part them, yeah, because when my people them living in more of a like a middle class, decent area. I mean not to study that class thing there, but at that kind of situation that them living in. But me as a man, I'm go in the garrison, go through the garrison, all kind of me garrison man, regardless. Yeah. So me say now, me go at the garrison, go buy a bag of Lasco for my father because I know when I shop them around them must open. Whether I shop open or you know shop no must open, but round I back at people them yard, you cannot go there and say, hey, you know, who watch this and know garrison, me now go down and I deal with it. Boom now, alright, boom. So me I go at garrison now, go buy Lasco for my father, and me know me can get a bag of weed for myself. So that me say me I go do. Me I buy Lasco and weed in a garrison not far from the people in place. Who will lock down at 8 o'clock at night, it feel like 3 o'clock in the morning. Music I play in a distance, in a garrison, towards where me I go. Me I walk towards the music more and more near and near. Late night it feel like, boom now, me reach around a garrison, boom now. It's like a dance I go on with mostly Gen Z types. Me never see much Jezebel, but mostly youth. Man like Crazy J. There and there. And so it's like a dance I go on, but it's a wrap up still, you know, because you know a lockdown time. Music I play and people are feeling bad. I walk through the dance. Forget me don't get the last quarter part before me reach the dance. I walk through the dance to get the weed. Me get the bag of weed for myself, walk back through the dance, me have the bag of weed and the Lasco, heading now towards the middle class area my people them live. A youth from the dance, cut way now, run me down at a distance where nobody I dance now see him. Now me and him been a corner, so him come around the corner, me and him alone now, late night. It feel like about 8:30, COVID lockdown, late night, that's how it feel like. Boom now the youth go, run me down. Yeah, Rasta. I turn on to him. Yeah, see a little girl get taken today. Little girl, him said to me, you know, of course that I fuck up my meds. Yeah, all right. Look, yeah, see a little girl get taken today. I go, no, never hear nothing about that. Him go, yeah, man. And the girl see I walk through the dance a while ago. And the girl see me walk through the dance. Little girl, fuck little girl, I do a dance. The girl see I walk through the dance a while ago and the girl I say, yo. I go, no, brethren, you can't mix me up in that. Me a vendor and Rasta. Me no mix up na them thing. Me turn my back give the man. The way me sure myself, the way me not tie up na this. Me turn my back give him and I walk ahead now in towards the middle class, one of my people, with my bag of Lasco left pocket and my bag of ganja right pocket. Boom now. Feel like me left him, you know. The man run me down again when me reach a certain distance and him that me here run back. I'm like, yeah, Rasta! See the girl here, the girl says she want to identify, you know. You know garrison place them set up with street light situation. Who no know, me I tell you no. Light situation with street light, one light good there so one no good, then one light good, then one no good. So the garrison them stay in Jamaica. No, me under a light when you stop me now, we're good enough. Them want, the girl says she want to identify you. That's the word. So you want to identify me, I walk come up to you, like you run me down broke neck there, you go make the whole dance run me down, a man will take a girl and sitting. Them want me left from out of the light with me in a to one dark way. He must say the girl there, him and one other boy in a female age, Gen Z age, like Crazy J. I wonder if Crazy J did. I will name a Crazy J, a KZJ, you know, me don't know, KAZEJAY. Some of the Gen Z them can't spell neither to that's about Crazy J. But the man say, yo, come down and so me go identify you. The girl stand up in the dark and the one on the street light when I walk. And I call me out of the light to identify me. Well, I go with them that me and two of them look like about 21 and so me and them are walk. No, while you walking, me I go then, me don't know me mix up in all of this, then me no vendor where everybody know me. And a joke thing, everybody know me, I walk up and down with a basket. See basket, hold on, when you do a voice, me just come off by like, see it here, the same as how me do my thing. See how you see this right there, so as how me set my thing for whole heap a year. Yep, and everybody in East Kingston, downtown Kingston, whole heap another part of Kingston know me. Some don't know how them people don't know where the girl from. And that me I walk up come down and say no. Me reach down now, the girl look pleasant. So me approach her pleasant too. She have one she look nice, but look like about 19. Gen Z! We don't know if Jezebel yet, I could go down in a story. The ear part in a two Afro puff hairstyle. So, by the way, that KZJ, a 2 year ago this, you know, and me same one, you know, and 19 the girl be watch the story. The ear part in a two natural ear Afro puff. You know them girl like Rasta. It part in a two, so with the one little afro you so puff and one little neat little, oh God no. She look sexy in a one little white dress. Get her clear up here, so each up on her body, little frock with shower, and this a girl where I say, man, try to take her earlier, you know. Walk come down, man, know. She look pleasant in her face, almost look like she a smile and a manglish pose, you know. So I come down, I go, oh, hi, my friend, what is this that you mix me up in? All of a sudden, the pretty face, the nice angel look just turning a demon real quick. And she go, I am trying to take me away, man. She's not going to say it. I am trying to take me away, the boy. Them a shuffle now, the two Gen Z, the KZJ and him friend. I shuffle now in them waistband. Me no see nothing, you know. But to how them a move them and say, gun there, you know. So you can't go and if on your butt. Come here, boy. Boy, man. Come here, big man for them. They want push me now. Say, if you carry me back round in a garrison. Your people, when I talk a real something, this is not something I make up, you know. This is a real experience I'm going to go through. They want push me now, to go back around in the garrison. And I reach at a point now where I know say there's another vendor. I don't want to call his name, I don't really want to build a name. A vendor where I rate and I know I live in an area, I live like on an outskirts of the area. Before you turn the corner, gone in the garrison, a female yard, that one big yard, we play bingo all the while. He always did it. So me now, I stop there so now, I feel a vibes, the place dark, nobody up on the road, everything. But in I go when I go around, I feel like say me did glimpse him. Sit down, pan the corner around and back and yard. I'm not sure, but vibes in me and say, stop right there so. Don't go no further with them. So I stop. They can't push me no further now. I say, yo, I don't know nothing about this and I not go no further with you. That will provide there and all of a sudden like a blurred dog savior from the distance. My brethren, vendor brethren. Vice me here that ring up. What going on here? Step outside there, come in and light, stand up and gateway. Get in and gate, but inside now, in and gate. We on the street light in front time gate. What going on here? The girl answered, Mr. Lindo, I give him that name, they're not saying real name. The girl goes, Mr. Lindo, this man right here, try to take my way today. Him and three another man in a white car. That time in my head, I said, in blood clean, my name Parrot, no man, my name too, no man, good way, own a car to rascal. That's what I say in my brain while the girl chat her shit, you know. Yeah, the man, Mr. Lindo, try to take my way. Lindo pause a little bit. And you know, like look there like, oh, what the fuck that girl? You go, yo, that man is good, you know. Everything govern, you love the man and you know about there. She shove, she no do, she no, like she no want budge. Like the boy them no fi take their hand out for me. And Linda look on her serious in gear, one of them look at her like, and I just true. I just true. And the other two mans them would don't want to, we let him go. Come Skilly, come Skeng, Skeng and Skilly Bang. That me name them. Come KZJ and him friend. And that the one say, the girl man, girl, the little girl, Gen Z Jezebel. Obviously, when she says that damn Jezebel, I know, we don't see it. Because there's a word, mother, maddest. Me don't know if a Jamaican build them word there, you know. Mother, is that a word if you Google it? For real, or we make up that. But I don't know, you know, but we're going to use that word there somewhere in that story. Because after they sitting up with the girl rate him, you know, me can't just walk come on my yard, you know. Somebody say, you're a man where I try to take a girl pick the road at Jamaican Street. What you going to do? Just walk go in your yard after one man. Say, no, I want to go home. Then lay wait and frig up your ass. No, I didn't do that. So Lindo make up a phone call and in a minute I was with a pastor man driving to the Dan for the garrison man. Yeah, a police. Me want to me tell them say police station, police station. Them no want that. Them say, police can't come in at a Dan business this. Me pastor man and one other man deacon. Me one deacon and one pastor and one car. Drive go around to the Dan meet me the Dan, make some phone call and make some query, clarify and you know, make sure everything balance. And when him done him go. Yo, Rasta. You're one lucky boy, you know. You see that girl, eh? A mad Rika that. A mad Rika did mad. But it look like she is mother.